Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin today did confirm that he and other trade negotiators will be meeting with their Chinese counterparts next week in Shanghai. That's certainly welcome news to American farmers who have been hurt by tariffs. But one farmer is not sitting around waiting for them to end. He took it upon himself to head to China to try and drum up demand for American cherries. Eunice Yoon went to Shanghai to speak with him.
This box right here is an ideal quality for the Chinese consumer.
Despite the trade war, Seattle native Keith Hu is making his best pitch for American cherries.
China is still very important to the farmers, the Northwest cherry growers.
This is the second largest wholesale fruit market in China. And every year, Keith Hu comes to Shanghai to talk to importers to get a sense of what the appetite is in China for U.S. cherries.
China is a critical market for the cherry growers, making up more than a third of total exports. So they feared the worst when Beijing raised retaliatory tariffs to 50% last year on their cherries, forcing prices for consumers up on average 60%. Overall volumes plunged by 40% from before the trade war. But the farmers are still making money. So far, Chinese importers like George Liu have been willing to eat the extra cost.
So because of the tariff, the U.S. cherry right now in the market needs to be selling at a higher price. So in the end, it will reduce the demand a little bit. But Chinese people, they're willing to pay for premium product.
To keep people here buying, Hu is tapping into the Chinese desire to live a healthier lifestyle.
We try to push the health message of cherries and also the lifestyle of the USA Northwest. We try to sell them the idea of living in a pristine environment with fresh air, fresh water.
But he's still losing sleep over what might happen if the trade war continues. There's new competition from cheaper cherries from Turkey and Uzbekistan.
Besides cherries, a lot of berries, other fruits coming from other countries. These are our competitions. I mean, we are fighting an uphill battle. So with a tariff, it just made our challenge even bigger.
For Nightly Business Report, I'm Eunice Yoon in Shanghai.